All right, we're gonna turn it sideways in a second to see if we can make it a little shorter. You go ahead, George, and see if we can make it a little bit shorter so they're still getting air, because it's basically taking the air out of the jump because it's flat. So we're gonna try that in just a second. You gotta go faster than that, big boy. Come on. So this is definitely like a smoother option, not getting really any air, whereas the other one they were getting a good amount of air with not a lot of speed. So we're gonna see if we shorten it up what happens.